Boeing is the world's largest aerospace company. Last year, it raked in over $100 billion in revenue, record sales for the Chicago-based firm. Unprecedented aircraft deliveries and expanded services gave it a net profit of $10.5 billion to the delight of investors. But the grounding of 737 MAX planes is costing the company. Just last week, Boeing announced it's taken a $1 billion hit to solve production issues and get the jet back in the air. Out of more than 5,000 orders, only 387 aircraft have been delivered so far. And there's worry over cancellations as stigma grows around the 737 MAX brand. Still, Boeing has significant resources to weather the current turbulence. Its backlog of aircraft orders is worth more than $480 billion. Now, the company says it's working closely with airlines and pilots to ensure their confidence in the safety of Boeing planes. But there's yet another challenge: how to win back the trust of airline passengers. Gerald, CGTN, Washington.